Hi, I'm Thomas Roney. I'm president of Thomas Roney LLC, an economic consulting firm. I see my job as a testifier to be an aid to the jury in coming to a decision on the amount of damages, if any, that should be awarded in a civil action. It's the fact finder, either a judge or a jury, that determines the amount of the damages, not me. All I can do is make a suggestion and educate the jury or the court in what my opinion is as to what the damages might be, based on the facts that I was provided with, based on the research I've done, based on the accepted methodology that a forensic economist would use with those facts and with that information to come up with a credible number as a measure of economic damages. There are other types of damages that the economist doesn't consider. Pain and suffering would be an example. So I'm on a very narrow area. I'm only talking about economic damages. It's my job to present those in such a way that the jury could follow what the methodology I used and that finds my opinion as a useful, credible opinion about what the damages might be. I might present a range of damages because there could be opinions, for example, by a doctor that the person is going to require this, but they could also require that, and there's no way to know for sure A or B. So I could present damages for A and damages for B. I may not have an opinion about which one is more likely than the other, but at least I've narrowed down the infinite number of choices the jury has to two things, or maybe somewhere in between. That's the usefulness of an economic expert, and I don't think I'm unique in that. I think that I strive to be as good at that as I can be. As long as an economic expert strives to be credible and is able to explain and educate the jury and the court as to their sources, their information, the facts they've been provided with, the methodology they use. They may not even agree with my calculations, but as long as they can provide that information to the jury, it's the jury that's going to decide what the damages are, and I just try to give the client, attorney, a credible estimate for what I believe that those would be.